Jeez, it isn't working. I'll give it a knock to work.
No!
Kiibo, it's broken.
No! I'm suing you for abusing it!
Iruma, can you tell him to stop?
Yes! Way to Chef Mike!
What's up, bitches? It's time for another episode of Trying to Get Under the Blanket. Let's go. Shit. Fuck. I think I got it. Fuck! Shit! Fuck!
I'm suing you for abusing it!
I'm gonna fucking die, my throat hurts.
I'll give it a knock to work. Fuck.
Fucking pop filter? Thank you! This is
Hi, I'm Pika, and I'm here to fucking ruin your life.
Yeah, nasty. I'm suing you for abusing it! I'm suing you for abusing it!
Shit. Fuck. Okay. I'm Saihara. Kaede.